In this video, we're going to talk about how to use YouTube Shorts camera from your YouTube mobile app. Before we jump into it, you know what to do. Subscribe, hit the bell icon, and also like this video. Okay, now let's jump right into this. I got the access finally. If you live in the United States, you should have this access, this feature inside your YouTube mobile app. If not, update your app and then you should see it. So here's my YouTube mobile app, and when you click on the plus icon, there is a new option there now. It's called create a short. And I know even if in the last couple of months when we did not have this option inside the YouTube mobile app, you were able to upload vertical videos and use the hashtag shorts, but now you have this access and you can create short videos from your YouTube app. We're actually going to do it right now. So when you click on create a short, this is what the interface looks like. So, and if you look at some of these features, it's actually very, let me flip the camera. These features are very similar to if you have created Instagram Reels or maybe TikTok videos. These are very, very similar. Let's look at all of these features quickly. So I'm going to flip the camera. First of all, this thing right here was the flip. I can flip the camera. The next one is the speed. Actually, before that, here's the add music. So I can click on this, and then there is a big music library. So I can pick any song, any music that I want, and then include that in my video. The next thing we already saw, flip. You can flip the camera front or back. And the next one is speed. So if you can increase your speed, so this will be slow, but you can record at 1x, 2x, 3x. That's really handy depending on what you're recording. The next one is timer. So what timer is, first of all, there are two things here, right? So on the top is the countdown. So this is what sometimes you need some time to get ready to do the recording. So that's this time. And then at the bottom is drag to change where the recording stops. So you can change right here. Let's say if it's 4, what this means is if I actually, let's do a quick demo. So it's going to record, it's going to count till 3, and then it's going to record 4 seconds. So I'm going to say start, and now it's counting. And hey, what's up guys? Now it's recording and it's going to stop at 4 seconds. And look at that. So it stopped, and that's like one segment, right? If I continue, if I press on this, record, now it's continue to record more. Let's stop it and look at more options. So that was the timer, and now the filters, that's pretty self-explanatory also. There are a lot of different filter options, so pick the one that you like. Let's go with this one, why not? Hit done. And then I'm gonna hit check mark right here. So guys, now it's recording. So I'm gonna turn off the volume right there. So I recorded 2 segments. If you look on the top right here, actually another thing here, you see that 15 option right here. So when you click on this, look at this. So you can either record 15-second short or a 60-second short, which is really nice, awesome. And then right here, right now I have only 2 segments, but let's say if I wanted to record more, I can just keep going. Here's another segment, here's another angle, here's another angle. Look at that. And when you're done with your short, with the creation, you'll click on this check mark, and then you'll go to the next step. So this is, guys, now it's recording, and it's going to stop at 4. Press on this. Record. Let me disable the audio so it's not, you don't have multiple audio tracks. Now, this is where you do some basic editing. So first of all, I can click on the music, and if I wanted to add, maybe if you didn't add it in the beginning, you can add it here. Or if you wanted to change it, I believe you could change it too. The next one is text. So this is where you can add different headlines. Right here. And the next one is timeline. When you click on this, and now you can change this is your timeline. So let's say the text I typed was headline, but if I only wanted that in the first, let's say 5 seconds of the video, I can drag this thing and do that. And now when I hit play, watch what happens. So it's gonna be here, and now it's gonna disappear. Look at that. So very simple. If you used TikTok and Instagram Reels or even like Snapchat camera, it's very similar, very, very similar. And then the filters, we already talked about filters. and then, oh, there's another thing I want to show you. Let's say if I do add a music, so I'll just pick this music right here. So when you edit the music, look at, first of all, the track is at the bottom, and then you have some more options here. So you can adjust the music, like where the music starts, some of those options. You can also adjust the volume. Look at that. So if you want more of the music in your video or more of the original sound, you can adjust that from here. So this will kind of put the music in the background. And then text, if you wanted to add more text, timeline, and filter. So when you add music, you get a couple more options in your editing phase or process. Now, when I hit next, now I'm ready to, I recorded the short, I added the music, I did some editing, and now I can publish this. So make sure you add your title, and then select the, if you want to make it public, private, unlisted, or schedule it, up to you. And when you are ready, click on upload, and boom, this will be uploaded to your YouTube channel. Super excited about YouTube Shorts access from my YouTube app. I'm going to be creating a ton of YouTube Shorts. If you guys have any questions, leave those questions below in the comments. Before you go, subscribe, hit the bell icon, and also like this video. I will see you in the next one. Bye for now.